Welcome to the ChemDoctor. This is the first video in the series on electrochemistry, and what I want to do here is actually start off with a demonstration. So electrochemistry has to do with the study of oxidation reduction reactions that involve the transfer of electrons, and this is a special class of reactions in which we can utilize in order to generate an electrical current. And electrical currents are utilized to do all kinds of different things. They run our lights, they run small motors, they're the basis for the battery that's actually running this camera right now, or our laptop computers and so on. So electrochemistry is a really important aspect of chemistry in general. Now, the reaction that I'm going to demonstrate is the reaction between zinc metal and copper ion to produce copper metal and zinc ion. This is an important reaction because it can actually be used to plate copper metal onto the surface of another metal. Now, I show the reaction written schematically next to the cup that you can see that it's got a blue solution in it. The solution is actually 1 molar copper sulfate. Copper sulfate is soluble, so we're looking at a solution that has free copper ions in it and sulfate ions. And what I'm going to do is take the nail, the 16-penny nail, which you can see has a shiny silver coating on it. This is the coating. This is a coating of zinc metal, and the zinc metal is the reason why the nail looks shiny silver. And what I'm going to do is go ahead and insert the nail down into the solution of the copper sulfate. Now, the chemical reaction that we're going to observe here is what we call a spontaneous reaction. That means that it has a large negative delta G and a very large equilibrium constant, which means that this reaction, once it's initiated, goes very hard to the right. All right, and over time what this means is that essentially there will be very few reactants left in solution, meaning that the zinc metal will mostly be reacted, forming zinc ion, and we will have formed large quantities of copper metal. So now when I pull the nail out, you can clearly see when I hold it against the white background that there is a very nice sheen of orange copper metal that has been plated down on the zinc-coated nail. Now, with this introduction, please go on to the next set of videos which will explain in detail the chemistry behind this phenomenon.